always say it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. While I will listen to other people's opinions and their inputs, at the end of the day, the decision is mine. Because it's my car. There's certain things I don't like on my car.
There was no vision, there was no plan, there was no I'm gonna do this and that. And then when you're ready, you sort of take it to the next step. The logical next step for me was to take it from where it was to where it's going to be. And that's the journey that I'm on at the moment.
How will it go? Bang!